That's wonderful. Yeah, I'm glad we came up here.
I do.
These are the warm-ups.
Oh, I do.
That might be it. That's a warm-up.
Yeah.
All right.
This is like Fritos. How are you not a fireworks fan? Like, fireworks are awesome.
I mean, yeah. Fireball? Yeah, I'll take a fireball. Okay. Okay, bye.
Sunday, pass your neighbor.
Fireball?
What? Is that yours? What? I thought it was yours.
No, it's yours.
Are you gonna get one?
I'm gonna get one too.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright.
Oh my god, this is huge.
Are you getting it? Ava, mommy's right here. Oh, look at that.
Just do it.
Look, the waterfall's going to be
Tio,
off
where
this
you
bridge
at?
over here.
We ain't gonna see that.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you will. You're going to see it from here.
What? No, you're fine.
Look at that. Look, Ava. Let her in there with you guys. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Pretty. Oh, look at there. Oh, wow.
Do a video.
Is that pretty, Ava? You see it?
You still pouring them out? Make it more.
He's looking for stuff. Good questions for the rails.
So pretty. Isn't that pretty? There it is. Look at there. Oh, watch that. There you guys go.
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Baby, you're as close as you can get right here. Look.
There you go, see?
Hey, Travis.
Can't get really any closer.
No way you can.
You cannot get any closer.
Wow, look at there. Pretty, pretty.
Showtime. There we go.
That's pretty. Happy New Year!
Not pretty. Get him? You get him? You're gonna get that. You're gonna get that bridge too, baby. Look at the bridge right now. We're up far enough for that bridge. Look at the bridge, Mom. The bridge right there. The yellow
look
bridge.
at it.
Yep, smoky. Yep, that's where the waterfall goes off.
When do they do the waterfall?
At the very almost the very end.
That's why we're friends.
How long do these last for?
Oh, an hour?
Shut up.
Yes.
Yeah, they go on forever.
An hour. Yes, it's an hour long.
I've lived here for 3 years. This is my first.
Really?
This is your first time. You've lived down here for 3
I know.
years. Ridiculous.
I have lived here forever, so this is just, you know.
You're used to it. You're
Yeah.
old cat at this.
This is a phenomenal view.
On our
It
backs,
is.
our faces, great.
Be better on the floor. Here they come.
Fireball.
Well, it's not people like, you know, my friends down here like have been camped out on like the wall.
Oh, I'm sure.
yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. All
People like
day.
show up like first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Put their tarp down.
Just like 3 hours ago in the 3 hours earlier than that. I'm like, what? Really?
See that, Ava? Isn't that pretty? Look at that.
Red, white, blue.
Yeah, red, white, blue. There it is.
This is legit. This is just getting warmed up right now.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, this is a warm-up.
Like the first year I moved down here, you can't watch. How do you think?
I'm trying to stay away from Sean. Every year we've gone to Palm for
Ooh, look at there, Ava. Look.
So I think
Yeah, pretty.
Okay. Grandpa's birthday, fireworks.
yeah, that's why like we went out today to
river, guys? No, you see the look at the bridge over there. You see the Cincinnati when you play their game. How close you're close. You're real close.
Minimum $10.
Yeah, we'd be on the river.
What? What is that?
If you get any closer, you can hop.
Yeah.
Not here.
Yes.
How close you think it?
Blood loss and get close to
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yes. So good.
Look at that. How pretty.
That's what you do, though.
I was like,
Yeah, which is crazy.
Are you watching?
When I don't wear makeup, people are like, look tired.
yeah, I know. I was really worried about how we went to.
Oh, look at the different colors, Ava.
She's like, oh, you the chicken off? I was like, I did because
You gotta do it. It's so good. Little maple syrup, little hot sauce on there. So,
I was nervous. I thought it was gonna be too hot.
Are you recording them?
Yeah.
but that's what you get. It is.
Let's get me. I think you should write like a blog about.
Look at there.
Like, I'm a vegetarian, but here's some non-vegetarian.
But here's some phenomenal food that involves meat.
Wow.
Some would say that this is really good.
Let me tell you.
Almost positive.
And it is.
I was afraid it was gonna be too spicy. I didn't want to hear it. It probably wasn't the best thing to have. I like them. He's like, do you want the spicy or not? Regular.
Oh, and that meat.
Isn't it some way you can take this and put it on your iPod?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Hopefully it lasts a while.
If it
Get it all, buddy.
doesn't get yours, I'm gonna record it.
Yeah, I can hurry up there. Look at there.
Oh, yeah, so good. We live right by it.
I can paste the videos, like make them combine.
Yes, so good. Yes, that guy's awesome. He's so awesome because he remembers everything.
Oh, let me hold him. Let me get hold.
That dude is great. He's like the nicest guy ever. We walk in, he's just like, oh, it's yeah. Chicken tikka masala. One, yes. I'm
Look at there, Ava. Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. So like, I'll do my trick. I'll be like, are we still your last name?
And then, yeah.
Like, oh, my last name is.
You can take pictures of anyone. Then you look at that and
It's like little parachutes. Look at them. Looks like their parachutes coming out. Got it, son? They look like parachutes. See them? See them coming down?
It'll come back.
it'll come back.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so glad you guys came. I'm so glad they got to put it on.
This is awesome.
You like the fireworks?
You but all of us have boyfriends.
Here's my thing.
That's cool. Mom, they just made a fireworks, but that's a firework. When they did like that, they'll make another one.
What? Really? Which one? Which one?
He's good next to me.
You can take my place. I'm done.
Watch the show.
Or a couple years ago.
Watch the show, Bob.
What's up? Oh, that's
Nosy little guy. Come on, baby.
Aiden, get up there.
Come on, baby. We're right here.
we're right here.
We're not going nowhere.
Bye.
Video in it, Bob.
Yeah, it's video.
That's right.
See? Look. They made a big, huge one. And you know the park?
Look at that. That's the bridge that we rode off that bridge right there.
We've been trying to get stuff away.
Yeah. And I don't mean to be rude. I don't mean to be like, I'm not that guy.
Yeah. No, yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Right there.
We had our fair share of fireball last night.
You're welcome. I apologize.
You don't have to apologize, honestly.
No,
I'm glad you said something. You know, the good day guy. Smelled like
right. Let me let them step in. You guys can spread out.
Pretty. Very pretty. I am. I'm very special.
oh, they're going over.
No, the last finale.
Alright, bro.
Thirsty.
Yeah, I'm going thirsty. Where's the last
We're getting ready to head off. We're going to head off before these are done.
Before this, because all the traffic.
Yeah, because the traffic will be kind
Traffic will be horrific around here.
Yeah.
I would like for you. I'm not leaving. I want you to see the grand finale. We're walking, so
We're going to have to listen to the grand finale. For real.
I got the juices in my mouth. I'm really thirsty. Don't be a I want to know the grand finale, man. You'll feel it right here. This feel is shaking. Sorry, Ava. I thought I hit you by accident. I didn't mean to.
I know my baby.
15 minutes in.
No, we got an hour. Oh, no, we got an hour.
What? Really?
Yes, it does.
No, it don't.
Oh, he don't even know.
It does.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Them are cool.
All right, let's go. Wow. Now we're going to Momo.
Wake up. So she can wake up as soon as we get there.
No, I want to be the tramp.
We'll be the tramp. Trust me, everybody's going to be on the main drag. We'll walk. Like I said, we get to Yamasi, we'll be wide awake. Why leave all four of us because she's tired? You ain't heard nothing yet. Hey, the grand finale is so white, it's like daylight. Watch.
It'll light it all up.
It's like daylight.
You guys moved away. You moved to, LA together.
That's little bitty stuff. I like that. Yeah. I like those. When you're down there, it's pretty. When you're on the river, it's
Yeah, we'll go next year for sure.
Do you think he's doing better?
See, I don't like that little big stuff. I like the
Oh, this is awesome though. This is a great view. Trust me, when the grand finale goes off, you're going to feel it on the wheel.
I like that. That looks cool, I think. Yeah, the way it goes up straight and then it just goes.
Self right now, so I don't even.
Yeah.
I mean, I miss him every day, but
Yeah.
it's like the weirdest thing.
It was, well, like, from my perspective, like, you guys, like,
So
I could tell you guys were left each other's ways.
It will be alright,
So it
boys.
had to be, like,
You're missing out.
like, one of you.
everybody knows that. Like, you guys were like a generation.
my step when you
Something happened.
Look at that.
Something did happen, and that is private. Like
Woo!
with that Evan, like
How does that feel? No.
Look at that.
like it's going.
Yeah.
Even like
Whoa.
childhood, like all kinds of crazy stuff happened. wouldn't, but they have to work. Even my mom's
Can we get a whoop whoop?
Yeah.
my mom had to do that in like 5
How you doing, Tyler?
Woo!
How you doing, buddy?
Can we get a whoop whoop?
You're able to, you think you're able to do that here, like a family?
Yeah.
That looks cool. That's cool. That looks like a plan.
You have to like, you have to get a couple things for.
I wonder if they're going to do You know, Garrett, I wonder if they have a WEBN.
No, it's on the bridge. Can't see it, but it's on the bridge.
They usually have it though. They usually shoot
Do
the
it on the
fireworks.
bridge and on the barge. Oh, you'll see it,
And
bud.
then it has the frogs.
Dude, those are coming off the bridge itself like that.
What do you look at them shoot?
Did you get a cat?
They used to be like right there, didn't they?
Yeah.
Why'd they move them?
Look at them shoot. And like obviously.
You know that? They used to be like right there.
As it gets ready towards the end, the boat barges move to close to the closure, to the grand finale. But we're almost done here. Another 15 minutes.
Hell, now
We're like another 20 minutes.
Yeah, we got another 40 minutes of them.
Puddles like on my face.
Oh, look at that.
Feel that on your feet though? I know you felt that. I did.
No tail?
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
Should have brought your iPad.
Here they come. Oh, that's neat. I like that.
Jaya.
So I can just call you up and be like,
Girl.
open that shit up.
Woo!
You open that shit up.
Dang hands, man. I need to get a fucking camp.
They bring in all the girls.
How long is this one?
No, it's loud. We got about 40 minutes of this.
Listen to mama.
I know.
Gary don't know nothing.
We need a balance.
Wow, look at that. It's floating in the sky. Look at that thing floating in the sky, Gary.
Boom, 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 boom.
Have you met your neighbors?
Mom, look at it floating in the sky. Look at it floating there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's pretty neat.
That's
Perfect. Those strange.
Yes, that is neat.
Those are parachutes there.
I love that. It's awesome. Looks like that one's hitting the building almost.
Yeah, that's pretty neat though.
Look at it.
We got a long it takes
How long
to
the
die
party
off.
Fucking every rapist has a taser.
Yeah, once they're blowing.
No, it's still one right there. It's out.
Yeah, what the? I'll have to be one. Nice place, yeah. What do you like look essentially? It's like 5 years.
Was it 5 years? Yourself for 5 years and then you brought somebody in and struggle?
Well, I like to tell myself that I'm the rapist. I really got to try to myself. Because he like would always like he's like the deal finder. Like, we'll get something on. He's like the absolute best deal. So I don't swear to God, I'm the one. Because it doesn't have like a no strike. Like it's kind of I don't want to say it's better, but it's not.
Well, the funny thing is, like, I put the offer in. I was like, oh, I should have done 10 grand. And then 6 months later, one across the hall, so 8 grand.
What if you can see the fireworks in space?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure. Sure you can.
That'd be fun. Had the best view in the world.
Yeah.
No, check your tone. I was kidding.
There it did.
That looked like a heart.
No, that was WEBN they just did.
Oh.
W-E-E, no, E-B-N.
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah.
You smelled that, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
Told you, Gary.
There's the bridge going on.
Oh,
We're at the
we
end.
ain't gonna see
We're
it.
getting ready to get out the end.
Time, it's like, yeah.
That's the waterfall. Here comes the grand finale in the next 10 minutes. Watch. That's awesome. You can't see that, bud.
Not yet.
10 more minutes of this.
I thought they used to do, they didn't used to do it off the
That
top.
bridge right there is what used to go off of.
It's just,
What bridges? We're not gonna see the graph
Oh,
now.
you'll see. WEBN.
There it is. Look at there.
Yeah.
Whoa!
amazing.
Pretty.
Get ready. Let's get ready. Feel the earth shake. Get ready to feel the earth shake. It's like being in a war.
There's them one things are again.
You're gonna feel me jump.
Why? Why? See it?
Look at the parachute.
Oh, look at there. I see that.
See the why?
Yes.
Yeah. I see the white.
There's two of them.
Look down. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
1, 2,
6
3,
of
4,
them.
5, 6, 7, 8.
There we go.
Are we gonna see the grand finale?
Park Hills.
Oh, yeah.
He says, yes.
Is it going on that way?
What?
Direct your attention westbound.
People trying to get home.
Hell yeah! I hear ya!
Oh, wait, you ain't
Beautiful, baby.
seen nothing yet.
I hear it.
No, it was my ear.
Look at that, son. Look at that. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Hey, wow.
That is awesome. Look, it looks like it's coming at you guys. Look. That looks like it's coming at you? Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Pretty.
Wow.
Close. Here we are. This is the grand finale, guys. This is it. Look at it.
Yeah.
It's the grand finale, brother.
Yeah.
It's going to get louder and louder. It's all over.
Yeah.
There you
Pretty,
go.
guys. Come on.
There you go.
Look at that. Whoa. Look, son. Look at that.
Look at your screen, though.
Look at that. Look at that. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Isn't that pretty?
Got some big ones.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Feel your feet.
You can't even see the big building.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby.
It's like a fucking war, buddy.
Yeah. Look at that.
It's like a
There we
fucking
go.
bomb's going off. I love it.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Keep it going, baby. Keep it going. Yeah.
There you go,
Oh, that
buddy.
was awesome.
That was awesome. It's going to go up one more time.
Yeah.
That's it. I want to stop yourself.